guys, it's me, Jack7. Remember this fan was my aunt's house? Spoiler alert, I hooked it up, as you can see. Fan collectors, this fan actually has a bad capacitor still. I haven't gotten a replacement yet. And if you find a replacement capacitor, please send me the link in the comment box below. That would be highly appreciated so I can get the capacitor in this fan replaced. I'll tell you what the capacitor has. 3 wires. The wires colors are red, purple, and brown. And the capacitor rating is 1.5 to 3 microfarad capacitor rating. If you have that capacitor, please send me the link to the comment in the comment box below so I can buy it. And as you can see what I mean, it has a bad capacitor, by the way. And as you can see, I'm gonna turn it on low. And then you can, when I turn it on, you can hear it hum. And you can hear it humming. When I spin it this way, you can see I give it a kickstart, watch it get going. This is what the symptoms of a bad capacitor is. And let me stop it and spin it the other direction. But the other 2 speeds work fine, but our high is very slow and sluggish. So when I pull the chain, as you can see, it starts up on its own, but it doesn't go as fast as it should be. Pull it again, not much of a difference. Low when it started up on its own. So yeah, I took off the light kit, as you all know. I did. As you can see, that motor is just really gross and dirty. It's a really nice looking fan. As you can see, it's very slow and low. Watch this. Again, I don't even want to start up on its own. Just could give it a push and it wants to move. And this is what the symptoms of a bad capacitor is. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.